Integrating Stripe with WordPress is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe with WordPress. As you guys can see, I'm at my WordPress website. You just have to make sure you're logged in. After logging, you just have to go to plugins. After going to the plugin, you have to search for Stripe. A lot of people choose this option just because it is presented by WooCommerce, but I will use this just because I think this is, and it have all the options like Apple Pay, Afterpay. So I'm just going to install it. After installing it, I have to activate it. After activating it, you just have to open a new tab and log into your Stripe account. Now in your Stripe account, I'm just turning the test mode on just because I'm doing this for the test purposes. After that, I will go back to the WordPress page. Now here I have to go to the WooCommerce and go to the settings. And in settings, you'll be able to see these options. Now you have to click on payments, and in payments, you will see these options. You just have to turn on the Stripe credit card option. After turning it on, you have to go back and you have to click on this API setting this time. And in API settings, you have to add the public key and secret key. Now, how are you going to find the public key and secret key? So for that, you have to go to the Stripe dashboard, and here in Stripe dashboard, you will be able to see this publish key and secret key. Now you just have to copy it and paste it there in these places. After that, your payment will be live on your WordPress website. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.